Prep is fundamentally a research-based program. And when we say research-based, we really mean three things in terms of how we approach prep and the history of it. One is that prep is empirically informed. By empirically informed, what we mean is that we look carefully at all kinds of studies by different scholars about how relationships work, what's good, what's bad, what works out for people, what are risk factors, what are some of the things that come up in relationships that kind of indicate problems into the future. If you look at all that kind of research, you can determine a lot of the kinds of things that are the ingredients that are going to go in to relationships thriving. And in all of the curricula, all the things that we produce at Prep, we try to have them be empirically informed by all the science that's out there, so that the things that we say, the strategies that we build, and the specific ideas that we recommend are things that are based on sound research in the field about how relationships really work.